Welcome to this episode 19 of the Mastering AI ML series, where we explore how to go beyond basic LLM use. We're closing the capability gap by showing you 6 professional-grade business workflows with live demonstrations. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team and Technovative AI.
Most professionals use LLMs like simple search engines, settling for shallow outputs. The real transformation happens when you use context-rich workflows to challenge, simulate, and refine your work. In this video, we will cover 6 high-value workflows: functioning as a thinking partner, synthesizing competitive intelligence, interrogating documents, role-playing, configuring system prompts, and managing data sensitivity. The core principle here is that context is everything. Vague prompts lead to vague results, while providing constraints, background, and clear roles enables you to achieve 10 times the typical productivity. First, let's look at the structured thinking partner workflow. By providing your decision, constraints, and current reasoning, you turn the LLM into a rigorous partner that surfaces blind spots before you commit. This works because it breaks the echo chamber of traditional decision-making. The model provides neutral, ego-free counterarguments, helping you identify assumptions or missing constraints you hadn't considered. When acting as a thinking partner, use this 4-part framework. State your decision, list your constraints, share your current thinking, and explicitly ask the model to challenge you. Our second workflow is competitive and market intelligence synthesis. This allows you to feed raw materials like competitor landing pages directly to the model to find strategic positioning gaps. The process is simple. Gather your raw research, define your analytical lens, and then ask for the specific market gaps. This saves hours of manual analysis while avoiding selective reading bias. When performing competitive intelligence, look for both tactical outputs, like language patterns, and strategic outputs, such as positioning white space and draft statements for your own brand. Next is document interrogation. This goes beyond simple summaries by allowing you to ask specific questions about a document to extract actionable insights tailored to your needs. The difference is critical. Summarization just describes what is there, while interrogation reveals what matters specifically to you and your situation. Effective interrogation prompts include risk extraction, obligation mapping, identifying missing protections, and plain language translation. Always remember to verify these results with a qualified professional. To make the most of large context windows, ensure you know what fits, how to manage long documents through chunking, and always perform a sensitivity check before uploading confidential data. Finally, we have the role-play and rehearsal workflow. This turns the model into a simulation of a stakeholder, allowing you to pressure test your pitches and arguments before the actual meeting. Why does rehearsal change outcomes? Because the stakes are real. A poorly prepared pitch can have lasting consequences, yet most professionals focus only on the content, ignoring the inevitable pushback. The LLM advantage is that it offers a limitless, objective partner. Unlike a colleague who might hold back, an LLM can simulate the hardest version of your audience, on demand, anytime you need. You can simulate diverse scenarios, from the skeptical executive challenging your ROI to a tough interviewer critiquing your technical skills, or even a difficult counterparty in a high-stakes negotiation. To get role-play right, your prompt setup matters. A one-line instruction creates a shallow character, but a detailed, structured prompt forces the model to present a genuine challenge. Start by defining the role in detail. Name the function, seniority, and personality. Next, set the stakes explicitly to create pressure. Finally, always ask for a post-role-play debrief to uncover your weak points. Our 5th workflow focuses on system prompts and custom instructions. Power users configure the model once, setting a persistent context and behavioral standard that elevates every single interaction that follows. Think of a system prompt as programming a colleague. It defines who the model is, its knowledge base, and its behavioral rules, ensuring you don't have to repeat context in every new chat. A robust system prompt includes 4 elements: a clear role and expertise, communication standards, specific behavioral rules, and essential context about you, your company, and your goals. Configuration differs by tool. ChatGPT uses custom instructions for global settings, while Claude leverages projects to store persistent instructions and reference documents across multiple conversations. The final, critical workflow is data sensitivity and verification. This is about professional discipline, knowing what data is too sensitive for consumer tools, and when you must cross-check the AI's output. Never input personal data. trade secrets, material non-public information, or credentials into a consumer LLM. The risk calculus for sensitive data is simply too high for most business applications. Use safe alternatives. Anonymize your data with placeholders. Check if your company uses enterprise tiers with data protection, or deploy models via secure APIs for sensitive regulatory requirements. Always adopt the verification habit. Trust the AI for reasoning, editing, and synthesis, but always verify specific statistics, sources, legal conclusions, and current events. The AI can be confident, even when wrong. Briefly, choose ChatGPT when you need live web data or Python data analysis. Turn to Claude when your work involves massive, long-form documents or requires high-fidelity adherence to complex instructions. Mastering these workflows takes practice. Start identifying your tasks, choosing the right tool, applying the correct prompt pattern, and always verifying your output. You're now ready to use AI beyond the obvious. This video recap summarizes the 6 key workflows we've explored, from acting as a thinking partner and competitive intel gathering, to document interrogation, role-play, system prompt configuration, and rigorous data verification. By the end of this episode, you should feel equipped to execute these workflows independently. You can now use context strategically and set up persistent roles to drive more consistent, professional results. Beyond workflows, you should also be comfortable applying the verification habit, selecting the right AI tool for specific tasks, and identifying clear data sensitivity boundaries for your organization. Remember that the shift from an average user to an expert happens when you move from simple, one-off prompts to the 80% effort of refinement, iteration, and structured thinking. Avoid common pitfalls. Don't rely on vague prompts or accept the first output you receive. Professionally, prioritize data privacy and always verify statistics and citations before presenting your work. Iteration is truly the core skill. The difference between an average and an expert user is the willingness to treat the first response as a draft and engage in 3 to 5 rounds of refinement. You can integrate these habits into your weekly routine. Use the thinking partner on Mondays, interrogate documents midweek, rehearse before key meetings, and update your system prompts monthly. To recap our main takeaways, context is your leverage. Interrogate rather than summarize. Rehearse high-stakes conversations, and configure your system prompts to save time and increase quality. Finally, remember to verify strategically. Maintain strict data hygiene, match your tool to the specific task, and iterate relentlessly to achieve professional-grade results. In the next episode, we will dive into image generation AI. We'll explore what it can truly achieve in business and where its limitations make it a potential liability.